God damn, it's cold. Anyway, I thought it was a good idea today. It's freezing. I got one of these little 12-volt heaters. Now, I'm going to give it my honest review. It's a company called Banggood. They do loads of electrical products, stuff for cars, etc. But recently, the reason I'm interested, I want to give this my honest review. It's only one of these little plug-in heaters, but if you have a look at a video I just done recently, I had to remove the rear window. And actually, I used another one that I had, which wasn't that good, to help clear the rear window because I just had no heat back there because the heating element wasn't connected. Also, in these sort of cold days, I get up quite early in the morning. It's quite nice to have a little bit of instant heat until the car gets warm. So, -5 today. Let's go and get this on the car and let's see if it's any good. Oh man, it really is cold today. Frost all around. Let's get in the car and get in the heat. Oh god. Oh, it's frozen. My god, it's so cold. It's one of those weathers where there is a bit of moisture in the air as well, so it adds to the coldness. My fingers are bloody freezing. And strangely, ironically, you guys, my lovely subscribers in America, I hope you weren't affected by what's going on in Los Angeles and the fires. It's absolutely heartbreakingly terrible. I really hope that you're safe and well, and my thoughts go out to all those that have been affected. I hope you're okay. I actually wonder, is partly to do with the building of the properties, that you use a lot of wood out there in your construction. I wonder if that's maybe added to it. I don't know. Okay, so let's see if this little fella works. I'm not expecting it to completely defrost my car, but my hands are freezing and sometimes it takes a little while for a car to heat up. So this is instant heat. So let's turn it on. Plugged it in here to my little cigarette lighter. It's got a little dial on the top. There's a minimum and a maximum. Must admit, it's a little bit awkward to turn this. There's not really any grip on it. I don't think I'll be really adjusting it much in the future. I'll just probably have it on full. And on the switch on the side, you've got a low setting and a high setting. So I'm gonna go straight to high. One is heat, one is cold air. Right, now I'm getting a bit of heat. So, just timing it there. Yeah, it's about 10 seconds or so. And I'll tell you what, it's enough to warm my hands. If I just kind of mount that there, it comes with little sticky pads. Yeah, it's enough to get my hands warm. As I said, it's not going to sort of, I mean, you can wear t-shirts in the car, but it's nice and small and compact. And I've actually had this before where I leave it in the glove box because it is so nice and small. And when it gets really frosty, I actually leave it mounted just on my window like this. And in the morning, when I get in a frosty car like it is at the moment, I just have it pointing up at the window. Now you can actually see it is starting to defrost in that one area there. So where I'm driving, it's defrosting that. And as I'm outside scraping the ice, this is doing a bit of the hard work on the inside of the car. As I can show you there, look, you can see that it is starting to, this is ice here. This is actually inside the car. It's frozen the inside, but here where the heater is, it is starting to do its thing, and you can see that the ice is actually starting to melt. Now this has only been on for the time that I'm doing this video, so what's that, just been about sort of a minute or so. And if I put the windscreen wipers on outside, you can see that I'm starting to get a little area there where it's defrosted. As I said, I'm not expecting this to clear the whole window, but what it is doing is it's localizing the heat in the area that I'm sitting here. So then once I've got this cleared, I can go for a drive, and then the regular heat of the engine is then going to defrost the rest of the car. Now this has been on for a couple of minutes. Let's have a little look at the windscreen and see if it's got any better. I mean, now we've got a little clear bit of a window there. You know, and as I mentioned, I've had that rear window out. I'm glad I did it on a day which isn't as cold as it is today. But for ages I had to use a little heater like this to kind of help get the condensation, and I just had it sitting on the back like so there, and it really helped actually keep it clear. It's not something that a lot of people talk about, is actually if your rear window, you know, is not working properly. As you know from my channel, I tend to have slightly older cars, and you've got to give these older cars, well, you've got to treat the elders with a little bit of respect. Sometimes you need to kind of think out the box and use little devices like that. And you can see straight away, look, it's actually starting to do its job there on getting a nice little clear area, and it's melting the ice both on the inside of the car and the outside of the car. Have a look. So there you go, you can see it's starting to do its thing there. It comes with a little self-adhesive pad, and then you can mount this somewhere where it's going to keep the body warm. As I said, I get up quite early in the morning. On the winter's day, I hate it. So if I got that there like this, I'm actually finding it's really quite nice. It is a lovely little bit of heat. And for the cost of what this is less than, I think it's like £10 or something. They're all right, you know. Don't be expecting it to defrost the whole car and actually take the place of the heater. And if this was anything more than about £30–40, I would probably say don't buy it. But for the cost of what this is, it actually has helped me. And that's the reason why I'm doing this video, is that, as I said, she's an older car and you need to kind of think out the box slightly, where I can use this to clear the rear window or the front window if I want to get it instantly clear just where I'm driving. This is going to help do that. And as I said, I can mount it here, it's small enough, and it keeps my body warm whilst I'm driving in the early hours of the morning on a cold winter's day, just to kind of keep my core a little bit warmer. And you know what? It's small enough that once you finish with it, you can pop it away, stick it in the glove box, doesn't take up much space, and it will get you out of trouble. So if you think about buying one of these and you didn't know if they did anything, now you know. It will do the window and it will clear it. Don't expect it to do it in an instant, but it's certainly going to help you. It's certainly not just a little gimmick. You know, this will give you a little bit of heat. And for me, what I really liked about it, as I said, it really helped keep my rear window demisted when my rear demister wasn't working. So if you're interested, there is a little link below. It's by a company that sell all sorts of electrical products called Banggood. And it's all right for the money. It's okay. And on a cold winter's day, I actually personally really prefer it when I've just got it mounted here like this. I can get in the car, turn it on, I'm right next to the heat source. I'm getting a little bit warm and cozy until 5–10 minutes into the journey and the car's got its own natural heat from the engine. Appreciate you watching, hope it helps you. See you on the next one.